Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Roblox Plus. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, open Roblox and look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, select Roblox Plus. If you are using Roblox app, click on More, and then you will see this Roblox Plus option. On this page, depending on your account and region, you may also see an option to start with a free trial before the paid subscription begins. You'll also be able to see some of the features included with Roblox Plus, such as access to trading features, sending Robux, reselling eligible items, and other membership benefits. Next, click Try it for free. Next, choose the subscription plan that best fits your needs. Some plans may include additional Robux as part of the membership. After selecting a plan, continue to the payment section. Choose your preferred payment method and enter the required information. Once everything is filled out correctly, review the details and confirm your subscription by selecting the option to start the trial or activate the membership. And that's it. So that's basically how you can get Roblox Plus. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.